In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template library in ClickUp. Templates can save you an incredible amount of time by streamlining repetitive processes and ensuring consistency across your workflows. Whether you're managing tasks, organizing folders, or creating reusable structures for your team, learning how to set up a template library in ClickUp will help you work smarter, not harder. So let's dive in and explore how to create, save, and manage your own custom templates. First, navigate to the level where you want your template to live. This could be at the task, list, folder, document, or space level. Think about where you want your reusable process to be applied and head to that specific area in ClickUp. Next, build out your ideal reusable process. This is where you design the structure and details of your template. Add tasks, subtasks, checklists, custom fields, automations, and descriptions to make the process as detailed and useful as possible. Keep in mind that the more effort you put into this setup, the easier it will be to use the template later. Make sure to avoid using date-specific language in your template. Instead, use generic labels or placeholders so that the template can be reused in any scenario without needing adjustments. For example, instead of writing Monday or next week, use phrases like day 1 or week 1. Once your process is ready, open the item settings. You can do this by clicking the ellipses icon, which appears as 3 dots next to the name of your item. From the drop-down menu, hover over or select the templates option. This will give you the ability to save your process as a new template. Now, click Save as Template. This action will open the Save as New Template modal, where you can finalize your template setup. In this modal, enter a clear and recognizable name for your template. Choose something that makes it easy to identify and understand its purpose at a glance. You'll also want to add a short description explaining when and how to use the template. This is especially helpful if you're sharing the template with your team, as it provides context and guidance. To make your template even easier to find later, include relevant tags. Tags are great for filtering and searching within your template library. Next, set the sharing options. This allows you to control who in your workspace can access and use the template. Decide whether the template should be private to you, shared with specific team members, or available to everyone in your workspace. You can also adjust the optional import item settings. These settings let you decide what elements should be included when the template is applied. For example, you can choose whether to include assignees, due dates, or attachments from the original process. Once everything is set, click Save Template to officially add your new template to the Template Center. Congratulations, your template is now ready to use. To access your Template Center later, simply click your workspace avatar in the top left corner of ClickUp. From there, select Templates or Template Center to browse through your saved templates. When you're ready to use a template, create a new space, folder, list, or task and select the option to create from a template. This will open your Template Center where you can choose the template you need. You can also browse existing templates at any time by opening the ellipses menu on an item, selecting Templates, and clicking Browse Templates. This is a quick way to view and apply templates directly from your workspace. And that's it. You now know how to create a template library in ClickUp, making it easier than ever to save time and stay organized. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.